Okay, so I'm going to go over with you guys how to trace. After we finish our drawing the body from um, the 10 head scale, we're going to trace them so it makes it faster in the future. I'm going to show you first how not to trace because this is a common way that people start out tracing their fashion illustrations. Just drawing as one big continuous line and not paying attention to a lot of detail. And this ends up looking kind of like a tubular Gumby type person. It doesn't look like he sketched it, and we want to trick people into thinking that we drew these from scratch. So this is a bad example of a tracing. Okay, now I'm going to show you a good example. So with this, it's a little hard when I'm just doing it on the paper for me to see it. So I'm going to start doing it correctly, but I'm actually going to trace it on the window. So it gets a little bit better. But what I'm essentially trying to do is sketch on top of the drawing. I'm actually including all those elements that we included just like our drawing the human form with the 10 heads. I'm drawing the circle for the elbow. I'm drawing the circle for the shoulder. I'm identifying the waist. Oftentimes even identifying the center of the body because if I later put clothes on it, I want to be able to draw the button downs on the shirt. It makes it a little bit easier. I traced this on a window just because the light wasn't great from my paper. But you can see it looks like I sketched this from scratch. It doesn't look traced on the right side, and it gives us a better foundation for being able to add clothing on top of it later. I'm going to continue to sketch on top of my drawing, looking at the drawing next to me, so that I have a foundation from tracing it, but I'm not basing every single thing upon the tracing, and it's looking a little bit more unique and individualistic, like it's like I'm the artist that created it entirely. Filling in any details, adding that center front line, and then looking at her face and adding a little bit of detail to the face. I could also change the facial features. I could also change the hairstyle at this point rather than just tracing what I see in the image. So again, adding a little bit more detail throughout, making it, sketching on top of it with my own sketching lines to make it my own style.